if you're getting the creating project folder error, failed error in Unity 2.3 F1, or I don't know, any other version, which I'm not sure if any other versions have it, but I have that error, and I found a way to solve it. But this is the error, right? Blah blah blah. New Unity project 123. You know, location. That's the problem right there. The location. You know, you're creating project folder failed. All right. So to solve this issue, instead of making it in a folder in users or anywhere else, you're going to do local disk in your local disk. That's where you're going to create it, and you select it, and then you just type your project name, and then we'll save it there. Okay, test 1 to 2, whatever. Okay, test 2, watch, and that's it. No errors. There you guys go.